Money. In our country, we use money in the form of rupees and paise to buy things from the market. Money is found in the form of notes and coins. In short, rupees is written as RS and paise as P. The symbol for rupees is this. Notes and coins are available in different denominations. Some commonly used coins are 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. Notes of denominations of 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees and 1000 rupees are available. To express an amount of money in short form, we put a dot to separate rupees and paise. The number on the left side of the dot represents rupees and the number on the right side of the dot represents paise. Note that we always write paise as a 2-digit number. Here we have 30 rupees 50 paise. In short, we write it as rupees 30.50. 50 paise is written as 0.50. Let us now see how to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. To convert rupees into paise, we put 2 zeros to the right of the given number of rupees. For example, 5 rupees gives us 500 paise and 18 rupees gives us 1800 paise. To convert rupees and paise written in short form, we simply remove the dot. For example, to express rupees 6.50 as paise, we remove the dot to get 650 paise. Similarly, rupees 15.05 can be expressed as 1505 paise by removing the dot. To convert paise into rupees and paise in short form, we put a dot after 2 digits from the right. For example, 800 paise can be written as rupees 8.00 and 1480 paise can be written as rupees 14.80. Addition and subtraction of money. We add or subtract money just like we do other ordinary numbers. We write the given amounts in columns in such a way that all the dots fall in one column. Let us add rupees 41.50 and rupees 70.75. We first arrange the given amounts in columns. We ignore the dot and add as usual. After adding, we put the dot just below the dot. So the required sum is rupees 112.25. Now let us subtract rupees 178.50 from rupees 490.85. We first arrange the given amounts in columns so that the dots fall in the same column. Then we ignore the dot and subtract like ordinary numbers. Finally, we put the dot just below the other dots. So the required difference is rupees 312.35. Multiplication and division of money. To multiply money, ignore the dot and multiply as ordinary numbers. Put the dot after 2 digits from the right in the product. Let us multiply rupees 216.25 by 5. We arrange the multiplicand and the multiplier as shown here. Ignoring the decimal point, we multiply as usual. Finally, put the dot after 2 digits from the right in the product. So the required product is rupees 1081.25. To divide money, we ignore the dot and divide as ordinary numbers. In the quotient so obtained, put the dot after 2 digits from right. Let us divide rupees 516.15 by 9. We arrange the dividend and the divisor as shown and ignoring the dot. Then we divide as usual. Now we put the dot in the quotient after 2 digits from the right. So required quotient is equal to rupees 57.35. Children, whenever you buy some items from a shop, the shopkeeper gives you a bill. The bill shows the items purchased, their quantities, total amount to be paid, etc. Let us see here how to make a bill. Let us make a bill for the following purchases: 2 notebooks, 1 storybook, 1 pencil box, 1 chocolate. To make a bill, we make a table having 3 columns as shown. In the first column, we list the items purchased. In the second column, we mention the quantity of each item. And in the last column, we write the amount to be paid for each item. In the last row of this table, we add the amounts and write the sum. This sum is the amount to be paid by the buyer. So in this case, the buyer has to pay rupees 87.50.